Ever had a thought so tangled it looks like this? Perfect. Welcome to Silly String Theory, where serious ideas get untangled with seriously silly strings. Today's string: why do we forget what we were about to do the second we enter a room? It's not a ghost, it's a doorway. Psychologists call it an event boundary. Basically, walking through a door tells the brain, new scene, and your old tab gets minimized. Your intention didn't vanish. It's just hiding behind 27 other mental tabs, including, did I lock the door? And why is cereal $7? Fix? Give your brain a breadcrumb. Say the task out loud, phone charger, or carry a prop, like the actual charger, so your brain can't gaslight you. Bonus hack: pause in the doorway and picture the original room like a screenshot. Boom, memory respawn. And if all else fails, walk back to where the thought was born. The prequel usually reminds you of the sequel. I'm the scientist, and this is Silly String Theory, snapping knots in 60 seconds or less. Drop your weirdest everyday mystery below, and I'll pull that thread next.